Hello, it's Kathleen. I want to do a little update, some more resources that I've put out for my breast massage after implant and explant plastic surgery class. So the first thing that you'll see, new thing that you'll see in class is this. It's the breast massage sequence rubric. So this is a two-page document that you can use to help you keep track of how your clients are progressing as you're giving them a sequence of breast massages after their implant or explant surgery. And you'll see this is the cover page, so you'll print one cover page and then your name and the patient name, and then you'll see this rubric itself, and you can print multiple pages because I'll invite you to fill one out for each session that you have with the client. So we start off with the date of the session. You have a little image here where you can make your notes on what you found in the tissue in the different areas of the breast, and then how many minutes you spent on each type of stroke and each section of your breast massage. Then we'll also look at, it's a place for you to list the techniques that you used to both open and close the massage session. Did you start out with MLD and then finish with MLD? Did you start out with any kind of Swedish or just whatever strokes that you use to begin and end the session? Areas for improvement. So this is really great to think about because I also want you to verbalize this to the client. Like I saw that from last session, it feels looser here in this area, but what I want to do for next session is to really focus on the scar tissue over here, like whatever you want to. So putting this as what you told the client so you know what you're going to focus on the next time, and just to have, so you have your own idea on the sequence of what you want to do in each and every massage to get them to their goal at the last massage you give them. And then also the focus of today's session, so you can talk about what you did in this session, and then this one is what you're going to do in the next session. And then you'll know about the focus of today's session because you share that with the client in the beginning, and then you share at the end of it what is your focus for the next session. And then this is an area for notes, and then I want you to self-grade 3 skills assessments. So how do you feel you were with the client communication? How do you feel you were with body mechanics? And then how do you feel you were with the massage skills of the massage techniques that you used? So this breast massage sequence rubric is available in the paperwork section of the class. And I've also put out a video for people on self-massage, and I'm going to send them in that video to the provider directory. So hopefully they will find your name in the provider directory and they will come to you for professional massages in between their self-massages after they had their breast implant removed. So we used a few different tools. I talked about some heating tools, some gentle heating tools that they can use to heat the breast, to warm the breast up. They can also take a shower or do some, just gentle self-massage to warm the tissue up. If they have problems with arthritis or joint tenderness, for doing the axilla part of the MLD, I showed them how they can have an empty deodorant bottle, and they can use that. We also talked a little bit about vibration as something that they can do. I showed them just several different vibration tools that they could use, and then especially a lactation massager. And this one is from La Vie. That's widely available, and it's something that they can get from a colleague or a friend that maybe has just weaned her child off, that they can use just some gentle massage in the area. And I'll turn that off. I also showed them some positive pressure and negative pressure techniques. So this is a lactation massage roller that also they can get widely available online, maybe for someone who had mastitis or has weaned their child, they may have used this roller to help bring their milk down, but it's ergonomically like designed for the breast, the size, the pressure style. So I showed them that. This part of the tool can also be used for soft tissue mobilization, like a scoop technique on any kind of scar tissue they've had that's forming. They could also use like a quartz. And a lot of people have this at their house because they're already doing similar type of massage on their face. So I showed them this as a resource for the breast. And then also if they wanted negative compression, they could get silicone cups, or they could get a glass cup if they didn't want to put silicone right next to the skin. And so they may come with cups and say, hey, how could I possibly use this to help myself in my self massages in between my sessions going to see you? So I hope that will be really giving them the tools that they need to do some really good self massage. So they're really helping themselves in between their appointments with us, and feeling free to come to us with these tools and say, how do you, like, let's use this tool on me together and see how we might use it, and see how they as the client might use it in between their massage sessions. So I hope this will give them more resources, and then again direct them to get the document, the rubric document that helps them record what they're doing. Their self massages is going to be in the same page as the therapist directory, so they will be able to see and contact you for their professional massages.